The all-new 2026 version of Kawasaki Eliminator has a 451cc engine displacement, 4-stroke with inline 2-cylinder na naka-dual overhead cam at naka-8 valves. Meron itong max power na umaabot sa 52 HP at 10,000 RPM habang kanyang max torque ay 42.6 Nm at 7,500 RPM. Para po sa kanyang fuel system, naka-electronic fuel injected na po ito habang kanyang cooling system, ito naman ay naka-liquid cooled. For the starting system, pinapagana lang po ito ng electric push starter. At dahil cruiser motorcycle type, gumagamit ito ng chain and sprockets pagdating sa kanyang driving system. At para naman sa kanyang transmission system, meron po itong hanggang 6-speed na naka-full manual clutch. For the suspension, sa harapan, equip po ito ng oversized fork at naka-twin shock absorber naman ito pagdating sa likuran. For the braking system, parehas na pong equip ng hydraulic disc ang preno nito harap at likuran. Na ayon kay Kawasaki Motorcycles ay equipped na rin ng single channel ABS. At para naman sa kanyang dimensions, meron itong overall length na 2,250mm, overall width na 785mm at overall height na 1,110mm. At meron naman itong napakababang seat height na 735mm na talagang dinesign dito sa cruiser bike na ito para maabot ng mga average height Filipino riders. At meron naman itong ground clearance na 150mm. At ang kabuang bigat naman ng cruiser motorcycle na ito mula kay Kawasaki ay 176 kg. At yan ang engine specs at iba pang features itong pinakabagong 2026 model na Kawasaki Eliminator.